Howdy, y'all. My name is Gigi, and I will be today, right now, I will be unboxing the Page of Cups quarterly box from the Witch's Moon. I have one from last season that I have not unboxed, and I received this a couple, maybe 2 days ago, but I've just been so busy. I've been working my butt off. I'm about to lose my storage. Yeah, it's hard to use. So yeah, I have two page of quarterly cups from the Witch's Moon. Which one is which? Let me see. Okay, this is the latest one. All right, let's just get into it. I'm still sad about horror pack, so if I break down, it's because of horror pack. Yikes, these are heavy, so they must be bucks. I'm too in focus. I don't want to drop the camera like last time. Okay, you open it up. This is what it looks like. So we have Upon the Crossroad. This is this season. We have arrived here at the crossroads of our destiny, contemplating the good, the bad, and the heavy weight of responsibility that we may face ahead. Do we take the risk in moving towards our deepest purpose? Do we step back upon the weathered and well-known path? Good question. To be or not to be? Do we finally break free of our fear of facing our darkest shadow? Within this long-awaited second release of the Page of Cups quarterly, we work with a long-awaited. I'm jumping lines, y'all. I swear I can read, but I'm very saddened about horror packs, so I'm right now. I don't think I can read. We work with the long-awaited. I just skipped the same. I just did it again. We work with a very unique and beautiful set of tools to seek the journey through darkness so that we may thrive on the path ahead. Oh, snap. Okay. Okay, so I just, yeah. And there's this artwork here. The glare. Hell Hecate, Anasa, and the Queen of the Dead, she who commands all spirits and keeps the keys to souls. Come, I call upon you, Hell Hecate. So this is just a chant. It's just a chant for Hecate. And then our cheat sheet, it does say, yeah, entering Hecate's Cave by Cindy Brannon, The Journey Through Darkness to Wholeness. This first edition, okay, I'm cheating because that's a first edition, it's a book. Dang it, I just gave it away without opening it. Where's the artwork? Okay, Anasa and Neroy, sorry if I'm mispronouncing the name. Book of Shadows artwork. This beautiful hymn is from Entering Hecate's Cave and has been inspired by the hymn to the waning moon in the Greek magical papyri, illustration and design by Gibbs. Okay. Oh, Oh, okay. Here's the rest. So I guess, oh, it looks like there's 2 books. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's see what this is. Chocolate chai. I freaking love chai tea. So, chocolate chai herbal tea with Muslim bags. Caffeine free. Now, I love caffeine. Caffeine and nicotine. Dr. Pepper. Those are my 2 drugs. This smells beautiful. It smells amazing. I cannot wait. This blend includes rooibos tea, ginger green, cardamom pods, chocolate chips, and chocolate flavoring. Use approximately 1 teaspoon of tea for 8 ounces of water. Use discretion and taste to determine brewing times and general amounts. Contains soy something. I have no idea. I like drinking my tea with honey, not sugar. What do y'all like to drink y'all's tea with? Oh, these are so cute. I do not want to mess them up. I don't want to open them. Is it tied like a bow? It is. So like it's my birthday or it's Christmas. I like recycling new stuff. I can make something out of this. I'm a very crafty person. So what do we got here? Oh, did I mess up my lipstick? Witch Sister Tarot by Julia Jeffrey. That dang glare, I'm sorry, y'all. I think that looks pretty sweet. Fly into the heart of tarot with your witch sisters. Thrumming with the power of Celtic legends and kindred spirits, this hauntingly beautiful deck captures the bold and mysterious nature of witchcraft. Julia Jeffrey's evocative artworks reimagines the Rider-Waite-Smith system into my Rider tarot is in storage. My first tarot ever. I lost my spot. Where was I? Rider-Waite-Smith system into a world of iconic witches, magical familiars, and extraordinary stories. The full color guidebook shows you how to invoke the aid of deities, connect with the elements, and make magic in your readings. Each card inspires a profound sense of chosen family through which you'll find boundless wisdom and your sisters in tarot. I think the artwork is pretty cool. Includes 78 card deck and 240-page full color guidebook. So that's pretty cool. I'm digging this. Definitely digging this. Let's see what the cheat sheet says about that. Witch Sister Tarot by Julia Jeffrey. This first edition has been published in 2023 and scheduled to release in the later months. Oh, so we got it before anybody else. Woo! This beautiful set includes a 78 card deck and 240 page full color guidebook. Thrumming with the power of Celtic legends and kindred spirits, this hauntingly beautiful deck captures the bold and mysterious nature of witchcraft. Basically what I just read. And I feel like I am down here short. So I'm very pleased with that. That is pretty cool. What do we have next? Let's see. Oh, here's our tea bags. How many do we get in this pack? So we get a set of 3. I don't even remember how much this box is, but it's a quarterly box. And oh, we have a bookmark. I like that. That's pretty cool. Goes with the theme. And the last item is apparently another book. Let me just slide this off. Can I? It's taped. All right. It's a soft cover book. This is such a bad quality video. And here it is. Entering Hecate's Cave, The Journey Through Darkness to Wholeness by Cindy Brannon. Author of Entering Hecate's Garden. Okay, I am very pleased with this. I'm very particular with my books because I collect books and I hate creasing the... That's how you could tell when you're I don't know. I was a library aide in back in middle school with Christine McAdowell. She was my library aide buddy. I had it as an elective. But yeah, when I see people reading and they bend when they bend the whole thing back, I'm like, they're not readers or they don't care. But when I see people reading like this, because they don't want to bend the spine, I could tell. Yeah. So I don't want to mess it up because it is a soft cover. Even hardcover books, I would do the same. But that's what it looks like. I'm just going to do a little quick flip through. Trixie, hi. My cat joined us. She's curious. So yeah, for I may do another video unboxing this. I'm flipping through them. Right now I'm trying to be quick and I'm already at 14 minutes. So for the second page of Quarterly Cups from the Witch's Moon, we got Entering Hecate's Cave. We got Witch Sister Tarot. We got some chocolate chai tea along with some tea bags, a bookmark, and this beautiful piece of artwork that I cannot get to show. And it looks like a chant. Okay, moving on. Let's see what we got in the first one that I still have not. I don't want to bend this. that we have not, well, I have, not we. I'm pretty sure if y'all would have unboxed it already. I have not unboxed. Okay. So this one came in July 16th. It was shipped. And it is now October. So let's see what we have here. Yeah, I'm very, the camera, I want to drop it. All right. Did I open it? I'm going to smack myself in the face. Watch. Okay. So this is what it looks like. Okay, so apparently we got more. This one doesn't have artwork, or does it? Or a cheat sheet. Huh. What is this? The Feral Soul Ritual Herbal Tea. This one's taped up. That smells very, very good too. And then we have, what's this? Just paper. We got paper. Some more filler paper that can be recycled. We have one package, a second package, some more tea bags. It looks like pretty much the same thing. Oh, this bookmark. It has a rabbit or a hare. Oh my god. I had this bracelet. It was very dainty. It was a silver bracelet and it was little rabbits. My dad gave it to me when I was a little girl. And I recently lost it. It was very, I'm talking about very dainty. And I always wore it because he gave it to me. And I want to say like a month ago or something, I noticed, I was like, hey, where's my rabbit? Because it always fell off. And it was a sterling silver bracelet he gave me when I was like 6 or 7. Because he always said if my name wouldn't have been my name, it would have been April. Because I was born in April. So I'm sad. That just made me sad. The Rewilding Spirit. Here's our cheat sheet. Let me hide. See if it focuses. The Rewilding Spirit. It is so important to us that we step into the world of action when it comes to magic and witchcraft. The study of traditions, remedies, correspondences, and lore can span over the course of any lifetime. We strongly believe that true magic happens in the depths of meditation, practice, and experimentation, where we reconnect with the roots that have been growing underneath us all along, where we begin to experience an overwhelming feeling of presence, connectedness, and excitement. In this wonderful collection, we work not only with practical application of magic, but the truest form of visualization. Whether you are an experienced practitioner or someone who is simply curious, this collection is sure to bring you a sense of compassion, community, and connection. So again, this is the first Page of Cups from the Witch's Moon, and it's a quarterly subscription. And apparently you get well, we'll see, because I still haven't opened the packages. We'll see. Apparently you get a book. Well, in the last one we got a book, tarot cards, a bookmark, and tea. Oh, this one's the other one wasn't like that. The other one was pretty soft. This is like, here's our artwork. Relax and get into a seated or standing position. Breathe deeply into your solar plexus. When you feel full, send it down. Imagine a cord dropping from your root down into the soil. Send it deeper and deeper into the earth. Drink up the energy through your cord, pulling it up with each breath. From the same place in your solar plexus, send up a cord of energy until it emerges out of your crown and let it reach far into the sky, out of Earth's atmosphere, and beyond into the cold realm of the stars. Breathe down the stellar energy, feel the cold breath of space, work its way through your chakras and meet the hot earth energy where they mix and churn together and begin spinning clockwise in your chest. Feel fully anchored to both the earth and the universe. Release the cords while keeping this cultivated energy within. Nathan M. Hall. Earth and Stellar Darkness Meditation. I really do wish I would have opened this. I could have used this in the past few months. For real. I really could have used this. What is wrong with me? Ugh. What is wrong with me? I really like this. I'm going to have to hang this up somewhere. But I find it curious how this one's like hard stock and the other one for the next month is not really like hard stock. Earth and Stellar Darkness, no. Practical Magic, okay, no, that's not it either. Earth and Stellar Darkness Meditation Book of Shadows Artwork. The description of this meditation has been pulled from the Path of the Moonlit Edge by Nathan M. Hall. Illustration and design by G. Ibis. Okay, let's get to the books. Oh, there's something in my eye. I need to sleep. I'm tired. All right. Let's open the smaller one first, or thinner one, I should say. Is this tape too? Yes, it is. I like the packaging. Okay, so in this month, or not months, the first season, we got forward by Christopher Penzock. Sorry for mispronouncing your name. Path of the Moonlit Edge. Discovering the Magic of Animistic Witchcraft by Nathan M. Hall. And it has a freaking a hair rabbit. Oh, I really wish I would have opened this. I really do. And it just makes me sad about that bracelet because I had that for so many years. Almost over 20 years. My dad gave me that. And it just fell. It kept the rings. What are they called? The jump rings and stuff. They kept coming unloose. It was an old bracelet, but like I said, it was very dainty. Let me do a quick flip through. I am so out of frame for this. I don't know how to position myself. I don't want to mess up the book. I can't do it that way. I'm a mess, y'all. And I need to sleep. And I need to work. I'm on the verge. I'm talking about on the verge of losing my storage. And if that happens, I'm going to be gone probably for a couple months. Depressed. But I will not give up because I'm a survivor. I will not give up. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to work harder. I love Beyonce. And here is the second package. This one, I think I gotta, can I? No. Yeah, I could. Untie the bow. But can I get the tape off? That's the real question. Very out of frame. Very out of frame. This is... I want to say this is good. This is like the worst video ever. If not... I blame it on Horror Pack. Blame Horror Pack. Blame it on the alcohol. I wish. I wish I had some alcohol. Ooh, okay. Practical Magic, an oracle for everyday enchantment. Serene Connolly, artwork by Selena. I have a cat named Selena. Benich. I apologize if I am not pronouncing y'all's names right. That's what that looks like. And in the back, so we have an oracle deck. And then in this season, this is last season, the first one ever. And then this season's, we got a tarot deck. So in the back it says, an oracle for everyday enchantment. Energize the purpose, knowledge, and potential within you to empower your heart and transform your tomorrows. This inspired collaboration is a rich compendium of a fascination, insight, ritual, symbolism, and divination that you can action in your daily life for surprising and satisfying results. Beautiful artwork, specially created to reflect the meaning and alchemy of each card, step-by-step spellwork, visualizations, and exercises for ushering in a charmed life, a comprehensive magical resource for creating sacred space, understanding moon phases, working with nature cycles, influencing your future, and more. Journey into initiation and possibility, welcome adventure and reward set, nurturing boundaries, and shape your reality with the support of deities, herbs, crystals, color, the elements, and intention. Believe in your innate powers of creation and innovation, and charge your world with wonder, now and always. Set includes 36 full color cards and a 304-page guidebook and card stand. Ooh, a card stand. Okay. So like I said, that is it for last season's, the first Page of Cups quarterly box from the Witch's Moon. So we got an oracle set. We got a book, soft cover by Nathan M. Hall, Path of the Moonlit Hedge. We got a bookmark with a rabbit or a hare. I can't tell the difference. We have some tea bags and the Pharaoh Soul Ritual Herbal Tea. And we have this beautiful artwork that I am in love with. I just love the message. And I really do wish I would open this before. I could have needed it. I really needed this. Definitely needed this in the past couple of months. So why did I wait so long? Now, should I read the cheat sheet? I think I'm going to skip it because I'm already at 28 minutes. Screw it. Path of the Moonlit Hedge by Nathan M. Hall, Discovering the Magic of Animistic Witchcraft. This first edition has been printed in 2023. This is a truly wonderful tribute to our connection with the natural world and provides real and practical rituals to connect us back to our feral spirit. Nathan explores the wondrous roots down the crooked path of the witch's moon. Practical Magic Oracle Set by Serene Connolly. Artwork by Selena Fenich. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing your name, Selena. I love the name Selena. What a beautiful name. I have a cat named Selena. Selena's one of my favorite singers ever. An Oracle for Everyday Enchantment. This first edition has been published in 2023. This beautiful set includes 36 full color cards, a 304-page guidebook, and card stand. We love how interactive these cards are. After pulling your card and reading the description, you will find practical exercises intended to support you on your journey. The Witch's Moon. And then I already read the Book of Shadows artwork. And then the Pharaoh Soul Ritual Herbal Tea with muslin bags, caffeine free. I want caffeine. This blend includes raspberry leaf, chasteberry, nettle leaf, linden flowers, stevia, cinnamon, rose petals, lemon peel, and lemon verbena. Use approximately 1 tablespoon. But I can't read measurements. Come on, y'all. That's how upset. That's how saddened and shook I am by the horror pack news. It's my world is over. Okay. Use approximately 1 tablespoon of tea for 8 ounces of water. Use discretion and taste to determine brewing times and general amounts. July 23rd. It's October. Y'all, it's about to be Halloween. October is probably my favorite month out of the year. And this year, I think October has been one of the saddest months ever. And it's flown by so quick. And I've just spent most of my time working my butt off. I got nothing to show for it. I'm about to lose my storage. So I'm just hoping I can make it. I believe in myself. I will make it. I really wish I would have opened this box way before. I just got to get over this horror pack nonsense. I can't believe them. Oh, I'm wearing my, y'all like my Dr. Pepper t-shirt? It's one of my favorites. What did I drop? Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching, those of you who stuck around. Sorry for boring y'all, those who are bored. I really, really love this bookmark, and I am a reader. So I think maybe later on I will do an unboxing of this Oracle deck, and don't break nothing. And this tarot deck. I'm excited. They both look beautiful. So, yeah. Trixie, want to say hi? Trixie? Trixie? Come here, Mama. Trixie, you can't just show up and then run away. This is Trixie. It's my princess. Say hi, Mama. She was all being curious. I thought she was going to knock the phone down. But I think she was a little scared. I don't know. Okay, run along. Run along. Anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed this. If y'all did, like, subscribe. Anyways, I hope everybody has a beautiful day. Love, peace, chicken grease.